Everybody. This is Dr. Hisham. I'm your lecturer for ACT3110 Group 1. Welcome to UPM. So this is the course outline for the ACT3110. I will upload this course outline in the WhatsApp group, in our WhatsApp group, and also later I will upload this course outline in Putra Blast. I think you can join the Putra Blast maybe in week 2 or week 3. But I hope you can join, you can enter, or you can open the Putra Blast system as soon as possible, because I will share many things in the Putra Blast also. So this is the course ACT3110. Basically, this course is introduction to accounting course. You will learn about accounting. Just a brief introduction. Accounting is a process to analyze and record business transaction and report financial information. So if somebody say accounting, then you have to know that accounting is something that has to be done when you want to record business transaction, and also it help you to calculate profit or loss for the business. If you have a business, you want to record your business transaction and to calculate profit or loss, then you have to use accounting. That is accounting. And also you have to know that accounting has many branches. The main branches of accounting are financial accounting and management accounting. Other than that, there are accounting for taxation, accounting, auditing, forensic accounting, etc. There are many things. So in this course, this is a basic course that will introduce to you introduce accounting to you, and then in this course you will learn about a little bit about financial accounting and also a little bit about management accounting. In this course there are 10 topics. So you will see here, you can see here in the course content, topic 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 are related to financial accounting. Topic 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are related to management accounting. So if you have learned accounting in school or in college or somewhere else, you are very lucky, because you can master this topic easily. But if you are doing accounting for the first time, I suggest that you read everything about accounting as much as you can, and then you have to do all you better do all the exercise, the sample question that you can see in the textbook that you will have to use in this course. And also I will also share with you hopefully sufficient sample questions and exercise. Okay, so just remember. So let's see, the first one is accounting and finance. This is like a introduction chapter, and then the second chapter you will learn about accounting process. So starting from second chapter, you will learn about how to do the accounting record. Topic 3 also related to accounting record. Topic 4 is also about the or related to accounting record. And then topic number 5, you will learn about how to analyze the financial statement. It's not very difficult. You will see that later. Starting from topic 6, you will learn about management accounting. Topic 6 is an introduction to management accounting. Okay. And then topic 7 is one topic under the management accounting. Topic 8, 9 and topic 8 and 9 also chapters or topics under management accounting. Topic 10, you can say that it is also related to management accounting, and some people and it is also related to finance actually. So don't worry about that. There are 10 topics to be covered in 14 weeks. Most of the time we have sufficient time to cover everything. Okay, about the assessment. So assessment for this course, ACT3110, the final exam is 40%. 40%. So it is fixed. Remember this. I will also give you the detail later. So final exam is 40%, and it is the topics that will appear in the final exam is topic 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10. So there are 5 topics that will appear in the final exam: 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and then the coursework. So the courseworks, the marks for courseworks is 60%. So what is the thing that you have to do for the courseworks? So first, in week 5, you have to do a quiz, and that quiz is 15% marks. Okay, remember that. And then you will have to do a mid-semester test. Mid-semester test is 20 marks. The topics that will appear in the mid-semester test is topic 2, 3, 4, and 5. The topic that will appear in the quiz is topic 1. So 15% for the quiz, 20% for the mid-semester test, and 20% for assignment. Sorry, 15 marks for quiz, 20 marks for the mid-semester test, 25 marks for assignment. The mid-semester test, you have to do the mid-semester test in week 10. I will give you the detail about date and time later. The assignment has to be submitted in like maybe in week 12 or something. I will give you the assignment maybe in week 4 or week 5. Later I will give it to you. Okay, that's about it. And then about the textbook that you will have to use for this course. Okay, this is the textbook that you will have to use in this course, for this course. It is an electronic textbook or e-textbook. Okay, you have later I will explain more about this. The thing is like this. The price of this textbook is 50 ringgit. You have the book is electronic book, so you have to purchase the like a password. The price of that password is 50 ringgit. When you purchase that password, you can log into a system called eConnect. The system is developed by a book publisher called McGraw-Hill. So when you log into the eConnect system, in that system you can read the textbook. You can download the textbook, and then you can use the textbook. Later you will learn about that. And also in that eConnect system, you can do exercise, And then I think you have to do your quiz also using the eConnect system. The quiz is like this. There are question. I will choose questions, and then I set it in the eConnect system, and I will give you time and date. You have to log in into the system, and you have to answer all the quiz questions using the system, and then marks will be given after that. So the system is very good. So in that eConnect system also you can watch videos related to the topics. There are many things, too many interesting materials inside the textbook, inside the e-textbook, the eConnect system. I hope before you use the e-textbook, you have to attend an online demo. The demo is conducted by a person from the book publisher. So that person will explain everything, the way how to log in into the system, and then how to use the system, how to read the textbook, how to use all the materials in the eConnect system. So thank you very much. I hope my explanation is clear, and it's not easy to communicate online. You can so firstly I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because see here, the YouTube channel name is Dr. Hisham Osman. I need you to subscribe to this channel, because I will share many things in this channel. I will share the lecture notes, I will share the sample questions, and also tips. So I need you to subscribe. Second thing is you can communicate with me using the comment section. If you have any question, you write the question there, and I will answer your question. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good time in UPM, and also I hope you will do very well in this course.